The Canon PIXMA E470 offers exceptional wireless printing. This video explores the printer's core features, operational setup, printing efficiency, and ideal user profile. To get started, familiarize yourself with the hardware. Use the rear tray to load paper, and pull out the output tray before printing. The document cover is for scanning originals, while the internal cover allows access to replace ink cartridges. The operation panel lets you control printer settings. For scanning, open the cover and place your document face down on the platen glass. For physical connectivity, connect the USB cable to your computer at the indicated port and plug your power cord into the power connector. Be mindful of paper load limits. You can load 60 sheets of plain paper, 20 sheets of photo paper, or up to 5 envelopes at a time. When loading paper, always hold the edges. Ensure you do not touch the printing surface, and load the paper into the rear tray as shown. When installing cartridges, remember to remove all orange tape. Do not touch the metallic parts and press the cartridge firmly into place until it clicks. To connect to Wi-Fi, press the Wi-Fi button on the printer. Monitor the network lamp. A solid light indicates that your wireless connection is active. You can print directly from your phone without a router. Simply press the Wi-Fi button until the direct lamp lights up to initiate the connection. To make a copy, load your original document face down, close the cover, and press either the black or color button to start. The E470 provides high-quality scanning with an optical resolution of 600 by 1200 dpi, allowing you to capture detailed scans to save to your computer. Monitor your ink lamps. A solid light means your ink is low and you need a new cartridge, while a flashing light indicates an error requiring attention. To clean the printer, turn off the power and unplug the cord. Use a clean cotton swab to gently wipe any ink off the internal protrusions. In terms of specifications, this printer weighs 3.5 kilograms, consumes 10 watts during copying, and measures 16.8 inches wide by 5.8 inches high. Finally, help protect the environment. This Energy Star-rated printer should be recycled at an official collection center rather than disposed of in household trash.